Join me as I challenge myself to stick to these viral, study-backed healthy lifestyle routines for a week and see how they really work in real life. One of the most important things you can do for your overall well-being is to establish healthy lifestyle routines. And I'm not just talking about exercising and eating your veggies, I'm talking about a holistic approach to living that's backed by scientific research. When you prioritize your health, you're not just improving your physical body, you're also boosting your mental clarity, increasing your energy levels, and setting yourself up for long-term success. We've all been there. We start the year strong, determined to make healthy changes, but before we know it, life gets in the way and those good intentions fall by the wayside. We get busy, we get tired, and we get overwhelmed by the sheer number of options available to us. How many times have you scrolled through social media, feeling like you're just not doing enough, like everyone else has their health and wellness game on point, except for you? You're not alone, trust me. I've been there too, and it's a vicious cycle. It's hard to know where to start, especially when it feels like every influencer and health guru is telling you to do something different. Do you follow the keto diet or the vegan diet? Should you be doing yoga or weightlifting? And what even is mindfulness, anyway? It's enough to make your head spin, and before you know it, you're back to your old habits, feeling like a failure. But here's the thing, it's not about being perfect, it's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. It's about finding what works for you and making it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So, what are some of these healthy lifestyle routines that I'm talking about? Well, for starters, let's talk about meal prepping. I know, it sounds tedious, but trust me, it's a game changer. When you prep your meals in advance, you're not only saving time and money, you're also ensuring that you're getting the nutrients you need to fuel your body. And it's not just about cooking a bunch of chicken and veggies, it's about finding recipes that you love, that you can't wait to dig into every day. Another routine that's been a total game changer for me is regular exercise. Now, I'm not talking about spending hours at the gym every day, I'm talking about finding activities that you enjoy, that make you feel good, whether that's going for a walk, doing a quick yoga flow, or dancing around your living room. The key is to find something that you can commit to, that you can make a habit of. And then there's mindfulness. Mindfulness. This is the one that always feels a little woo-woo to me, but trust me, it's worth it. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment, about letting go of distractions and focusing on what's really important. For me, that means taking a few minutes every morning to meditate, to breathe, to set intentions for the day. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. I want to share a story with you that really drives this point home. I have a friend who was struggling with anxiety and depression, and she was feeling stuck, like she tried everything and nothing was working. So, she decided to take matters into her own hands and started making small changes to her daily routine. She started going for walks every morning, she started practicing yoga, and she started meal prepping on the weekends. And you know what? It worked. She started to feel better, she started to have more energy, and she started to feel like herself again. This is what I want for you, this is what I want for me. I want us to feel empowered to make healthy choices, to take control of our own well-being. I want us to feel like we're capable of making positive changes in our lives. And I want us to start today. So, to recap, healthy lifestyle routines are not about being perfect, they're about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. They're about finding what works for you and making it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. And they're about taking care of yourself, body and mind. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.